last 13 years. And before Corona, it was providing the offline training. And last 3 years, we are totally shifted on online trainings. So before going to start technical session, I want to know about your background, how many years of experience. Meanwhile, some other candidate will join, then we'll start. So anyone can give your introduction.
Hi, I am Prahalad. I'm having 16 years experience in telecom domain. In my past, I have worked on voice over IP and DOCSIS cable gateway and GPON and wireless technology. So currently, I'm working in ASCII for Geo project. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Next.
Hi sir, this is Jay Krishna Reddy from Kadapa district. I have total experience in 10 years in fiber field, OSP field. Right now I am working as a construction engineer in FTTX fiber to the home project in Reliance Geo.
Okay, great. Next.
Hello guys, I'm Desio Gabriel. Actually, I'm a radio frequency engineer, and that's the only experience that I have. Thank you.
Okay, great. Next.
Hello sir, my name is Surendra Viskarma. I have 6 year experience in telecom as an installation project engineer, Geo and Airtel. Thank you.
Okay, great. Next. Next, PKMR. Yeah, Ashok.
Yeah, this side Ashok. Sorry, this side Ashok Kumar Prajapati. I have 9 year experience in the telecom domain. Currently, I am working on the mobile com as a RAN integration engineer on T-Mobile project, US project.
Okay, great. Next. PKMR and Telecom. Who is PKMR? You are not able to speak about yourself. Second one is Telecom. Who is Telecom guest? Now, Sai Krishna, can you tell me about your background? Sai Krishna, are you there?
Yeah, hello. Am I audible?
Yes, audible.
Yeah, 1 second.
Yes.
Yeah, you're asking something?
I want to know your background. How many years of experience you have?
Yeah,
In which domain you are working?
yeah, it's like I'm working in protocol testing for since 10 years. Yeah.
Okay. If you are working protocol testing, so why you are here?
No, I don't have experience in analysis, and I'm only into testing, not into the analysis part.
Okay, so you are doing field testing,
No, not field testing, lab testing.
lab testing.
Yeah,
Okay, so you want to know about the log analysis.
yeah, log analysis part. As well as
Okay,
I would like to move to the development thing. Right now, since I'm more than 10 years, I'm working in testing field.
okay.
Yeah.
So Sai Krishna, you are working in protocol testing in last 10 years. I hope your package will be plus 20 or plus 30. Is it right?
No, 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 no. The thing is that
Why?
I was there in the on-site for 4 5 years. So the salary what I used to get before going to the on-site and after returning from the on-site is the same. So that's the reason I lose like 4 valuable years in India.
Okay. In which company you are working as of now?
As of now, I'm working with the Saskin Motorola.
Saskia.
Yeah, the client location is Motorola.
Okay. When you are in outside or client location, maybe you
What?
are 3 to 4. You worked on client side, na? out
Yes,
of
yes,
India?
yes. Yeah, yeah.
4 to 5 year.
Yes, yes.
I hope on that time your package will be 3 to 4 lakh.
Yes, that time. See, when I was on site, yes, I used to get like a three, you can say.
Okay. I'm just putting your example into the other candidate, because in protocol
Got it.
testing opportunity is much and package is
Yes.
much as compared to telecom engineer.
Yeah, see, even if I go now, the package will be high than what I used to get, what I'm getting right now here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, next. Those who are not given your introduction, just tell me about your name, how many years of experience, so that I can understand in better way what is your standard. So those who are remaining, you can give anyone. Yeah, Dharmendra.
Sir, good morning. Prasad this side.
Yeah, Prasad.
Hello, sir. Thank you for joining this great opportunity. And I'm currently working with the Geo as a network planning engineer. I'm little bit interested in testing in 4G and 5G.
Okay. So you are relying you in state or JC?
Uh, my reporting is for at BKC, but currently I'm at working at JC,
Okay. In Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Mumbai Circle.
Okay. Which JC?
JC 34.
Okay. Okay. I was in Reliance Jio 6 year in NSQ.
Sorry, I can't hear you. I can't
I was
hear
a
you, sir.
part of Jio. I worked around 6 year in Jio in Mumbai.
Sorry, sir, I can't hear you.
Uh, Hello. I think some
Yes, sir.
issue in your side. Yeah. I worked in Reliance Jio 6 year in Mumbai NHQ as a senior manager quality and assurance team. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Next. Who name is VC? Can you tell me about yourself? Why you guys joined if you're not able to speak yourself? It's a seamless. अगर अपने बारे में नहीं बता सकते हो तो दोस्त, this is not right place. I am not here to entertain each and every one for next 30 minutes. Okay. So those not able to speak about yourself, kindly left. Okay, no problem. Ram, you joined?
Hello.
Yeah, Ram, over to you.
Yeah, yeah,
Guys,
thank
Ram
you.
is a senior instructor as well as he is working in Apple long time, having experience around 14 plus years of. So enjoy with Ram. Today journey about the protocol testing and all. Ram will guide in much more better way. We'll discuss at the end of the call. So be here for next 1.5 hour. Okay, Ram, over to you.
Hey, hey, thank you, Haru, to provide me this opportunity here in ATS. And guys, we are in a ATS and here, and we are working professional guys in a different. RO is also working for the some organization. I'm working for the also working for the some organization. So we are working professional here, and we are providing the services. Means the ATS is the provided the services like as a chipset based services means like as a MediaTek and Qualcomm and some of the Intel is there. So ATS is the provide the chipset based services and corporate training like as a training is completed by the RO in a Xiaomi and OnePlus and another organization is the also in a queue like as a service-based company, and COM direct LNT is also this is the part of the ATS, and already delivered the training for the LNT also. So, and we are corporate and means that we are providing the corporate training and operator service training like as a Geo, Airtel, and Vodafone India, Vodafone Idea. We are providing the services. Okay, and some working projects means that we are running the some project in ATS here India as well as the overseas location. So in India, we are having our main center over the Pune, and in if you are talking about the overseas location, so currently running project in Vietnam and Cambodia and Myanmar location. Three location is that we are having the project and current course component means the what we are going to do in ATS, what type of the course we are going to cover over here. So here in course component, what we are going to do and what we are going to cover, like as a we are talking about the technological parameter like as a LT technology, VoLTE technology, VoWi-Fi, VoWi-Fi to VoLTE, and IMS related things we are cover like as a conference call, all thing we will cover related in a LT things over here. And after that we can move for the NR related parameter. What in our VONR call, registration, call flow, SMS flow, data flow, how that one is going to flow. And we can also talk about the day by day activity. Some of suppose that in ATS if project is assigned for you, so what is the day by day activity what we are going to do, and PPT presentation and all things we will do over here. And now here, if talking about the presentation things over here, just a moment. My screen is visible for everyone, guys, please.
Yes, yes.
Yes, visible.
Visible, no? Okay. So here in Aerotech solution, we are covering the 5G, ORAN, LT, and Python automation. Okay. Here but in ATS is the having the 24 by 7 facility is over there related to the calling services. You can call to the ATS related to your concern. If you are the part of the ATS, and these facilities are available for you, and prepare the placement cell here, and separate placement cell is here like as when you are join the course, and after that you will go for the interview preparation and all things. So separate team is here for the interview preparation and what type of the question they are asking in the industry. So based off the company, suppose that some of company like as a Qualcomm. So Qualcomm, what is the Qualcomm standard over there? Which type of the question is going to ask by the Qualcomm? So a special R&D team is here and they are working on that one. Hey, which type of the question in running in a market? So suppose that Qualcomm or the MediaTek, what type of the requirement is the coming? Like I suppose that you are going for the log analysis. Yeah, you are going for the Python scripting. Yeah, you are going for the automation. So what skill set is the required for you? So separate placement team is the looking for that. And after that, our professional means the working professional team is the hands-on tool experience here means that we are having the different of the tool is here for the different OEM based companies here like as a MediaTek, Qualcomm, and Intel and Spectrum is here. So we are having the tool according to the organization. Okay, and here real time experience. Suppose that we will replay the log in a tool, and we will from the basic things we will teach the things over here. Here we can go for the tool installation, how to install the tool and how to replay the log, yeah, how to capture the log in the tool. With the help of the tool we will capture the log, and real time we can do the practice on the tool. And base theory concept is here, we are providing the base theory concept. So our theoretical concept is the best, and first of all we will cover the theoretical portion, and after that immediately we will open the tool and validate the things. Hey, suppose that we are talking about the LT registration procedure. So if device is going to camp over the LT network, so what is the process? how device is going to camp over the LT network. Means the first of all, if you are inserting the SIM card inside of your mobile, so that time your protocol initialization should be there. Means your device is the going for the protocol activation, means the layer will be the activated. So RRC CSP control state protocol is the responsible for that thing to activate and deactivate the protocol stack. So protocol will be the come in a picture. Some of the engineer is the working on the protocol side, protocol engineer, protocol log analysis, and protocol layer specific engineer is there. So they will do the and they will perform the work and play the vital role in a organization. Okay. So here best theoretical concept we are going to provide. So after this courses, what opportunity is the going to created? So after these courses, we are getting the opportunity for the Qualcomm, Mediatek, and Mediatek, and you can go for the service based company. This one is the product based company, and after that you can go for the service based company like a Cab Jimny, and a lot of the organization we can look out for the Accenture, Airtel, LTO Star, Amanta, AT&T, Whale. So this type of the opportunity will be the open for you. Means the ATS is the gateway. That one is the provide the best theoretical as well as the practical concept for you, and then you can open your gateway and you can enhance your career. Okay. So suppose that if I'm talking about the tools, okay, hey, which type of the tool we are going to utilize over here. So first of all, we are talking about the Qualcomm. The Qualcomm, we are going to use the QXDM tool. Qualcomm Extensible Diagnostic Monitor. This one is the real-time tool. Whatever the call is, the means the log is going to flow. How we will utilize this tool and how to check the flow. So suppose that here your device is here. This one is your device. Means the user equipment. Here is your device. Okay, and this device is want to communicate with the network. Means the here you are going to insert the SIM card. Okay, and after that this device is want to camp over the network. Okay, so this one is the simple procedure, guys. Ki first of all we will get the downlink information from the network side, and after that you will send the uplink information, and then device will be the camp over the network. But in the behind of the camping procedure, we are having the great story. How your device will be the camp over the network. So first of all, if you are talking about the LT technology here, this one, suppose that this one is your user equipment is here, means the your mobile is here. So mobile want to camp over the network. So what procedure need to follow? So suppose that here is your mobile. This one is your mobile. Mobile is here, and this mobile is want to camp over the network. So what procedure need to follow? So first of all, this device will be the say, connected with the interfaces with the eNode V, and eNode V will the communicate with the MMB mobility management entity, and after that this one is the go for the registration related things. See, hey, this one is the valid EV or not, subscription is the valid or not, this one is the taken valid subscription or not, and after that we can go for the data related services, PDN gateway, serving gateway, and PDN gateway, and then we can utilize the IP based services here from here. Okay, so how this one is going to camp. So what is the role of the protocol initialization here? What is the role for the UV? How protocol will be the come in a picture? So if you are talking about the protocol, guys, protocol is the divided in a through portion. First one layer, this one is the first portion, this one is the second portion, and this one is the third portion. Okay, three portion, this one is the category. So we can say layer 1, layer 2, and layer 3. So this one is the 5 physical layer. Okay, the physical layer is the here in a layer 1 physical layer will be the come. If you are talking about the layer 2, the inside of the layer 2, 3 point will be the come. MAC, RLC, and PDCP will be the come in a picture of the layer 2. So this one is the having the responsibility for the layer 2. Okay, here, and if you are talking about the RRC specific and non-C specific, so layer 3 is the responsible for this point. Here is the layer 3. Okay, so these are the categorization of the layer. Okay, and now here how layer will be the differentiate. What is the differentiation between the LT protocol stack, 3G protocol stack, 4G protocol stack, 5G protocol stack, even 6G protocol stack? How stack will be the divide decided? So if this EV will be the invoke, means the when we are inserting the SIM card inside of the mobile here, when SIM card is the inserted, that one want to camp over the network. But what happened here? Here, first of all, radio resource control means the RRC layer. RRC layer is the RRC CSP control state protocol is the having the right to open the stack and close the stack. So if you want to see here, then you can see here this one is the protocol and here the PDCP. So here PDCP controller, here RLC controller, here MAC controller, and here physical layer component will be the coming picture. So all layer will be the open, and after that device will be the get the information from the network side here. Here this one is the get the information, downlink information, frequency, what is spectrum is the allocated for this network, and after that device will be the send the RAS procedure, and then this one will be the camp over the network. So this type of the phenomena is the called the protocol stack. Okay, and then protocol is getting invoke. Okay, here. So now here, suppose that we are going, just a moment. We are going to capture the log with the help of this tool. We want to connect the device in this tool, or we want to connect the device in this tool and want to capture the log. So what is the procedure to the capture the log? So first of all here guys, we will do one thing. So over here, just a moment, we can connect the device with the this device should be connect with the your laptop. Suppose that here you are having the your own laptop is here. In this laptop already you are installed the your QXDM, and yeah, you are install your the QCat and all whatever you have the tool you can install here. So installation procedure I will tell you later. Here QXDM is okay, and here suppose that for the MediaTek we are going to install the ELT tool. Okay, so here tool is the install here, and after that we will provide the interface, means that we can connect the device in a laptop or the your phone is the connected over here, and after that whatever the flow over the air message is going to flow over here over the message is getting flow here. So we can capture this log, means the here we can capture this log. Okay, here we can capture this log, and we can replay this log like this one is the QXDM tool, and here tool is there, and now here capture log we can replay here. Okay, we can replay here this capture log we can replay here we can play now. Here log is running, here log is running, and we can capture via this tool. Okay, so let's see what is the process here. Here, so another tool is also Lysol tool is here, and Warsark is also there, and all tool is the install in this laptop. Okay, we can install the tool, and after that we can go for the technical expertise. Okay, so what technical expertise we are going to follow? What procedure we are going to follow? Okay, so suppose that here, just a moment, guys. Here if you are talking about a technical parameter and technical approach, so first of all we are talking about the LT technology. Hey, what is the LT technology and how this technology is going to register over the network, and what is the LT advanced means that we are talking about the carrier aggregation. So we validate the all parameter in tool as well. We can first cover the theoretical portion, and after that we can go for the information element, and then we can discuss about the I. Hey, what is the required thing for the carrier aggregation? What is the release number for the carrier aggregation? How device is going to aid the secondary sale? When requirement will be the come for the secondary cell addition? When secondary cell will going to deactivate and activate? We can talk in a carrier aggregation portion. And if you are talking about the calling system, because if you purchase your mobile, then what you can do here, what facility you are going to utilize here, what facility you are going to utilize, best best of the things, best utilization of your mobile, you are going for the calling purpose. You will do calling, and we are going to utilize the data here. Okay, call and data services is the most and mandatory params for the mobile. Okay, rest of the things like as you are running the application, you are playing the game and all things, this one is the secondary portion. With the help of the data, you are running the game, you play the game, or the you are run your software and all things. Okay, so vital role is here. We are first one for the, we are talking about the signaling related things here. We are going for the signaling here, signaling first, and after that we will move for the data related things. Okay, so here suppose that we are having the technology here, 2G technology, here is the 3G technology, here is the 4G technology, here 4G, and here 5G also. So if call and data is there in 2G, here suppose that in 2G, here 2G, here 3G. One second. What English? Hello? हाँ, second.
हमारे पास तो इसको एक 18-19 और एक 16-17 और एक
नहीं हमारा मेरे नाम से है क्या? नहीं नहीं मेरा नहीं है। हाँ. Hello, sorry guys. So here suppose that here is the 3G technology is also, and here is the 4G also, here 4G is also, and here 5G also, here 5G is also. Why what need of the 5G? If 2G is there in 2G is the implemented it already in this mobile, so why need of the 5G technology? Why? Because we are going to use the calling services and the data services, so why need of this point? Okay, because of here, because our expectation is the much high with compared to the 2G, our expectation is the much high. We are expecting the more voice quality, more clarity in a voice call, and more functionality, more feature set we want to utilize. Like as a supporter, for example, in a 4G, we are having the great achievement over the 4G audio as well as the video call. We can initiate the VoLTE call as well as we can initiate the VILT call. Means the we can initiate the call for the audio as well as the video, as well as we are having the good facility conference call, like as a conference call also in a 2G 3G, but we are talking about the VILT conference call, means the video conference call. So this type of the facility is the getting increased in a signaling portion, means the calling system, as well as in a data system. If you are talking in a data perspective, so in a 2G technology we are getting the lesser speed in a kbps speed, but if you are talking in a 5G technology, we are getting the high data rate in a 5G technology, like as a 1 Gbps data is more, yeah, more than 1 Gbps data is our expectation. So with the higher data rate, our work will be the so much smooth, and we can perform our work in a smooth manner. So here, guys, this is the history of the protocol. So how we are communicate, how our device will be the communicate with the protocol. Suppose that here device is the communicating with the protocol. Here this one is the network. Okay, this one is want to camp over the network. But here, how, if you are talking about the deployment things for the any technology, suppose that I am talking about the 4G or the 5G or the 6G is going to deployment. So what, on which basis that one is going to deploy, network is going to deploy, spectrum is going to allocate it. So how, suppose that I am taking the example of the UV, hey, how UV will going to manufacture, and who is the responsible for the manufacturing. So for the UV manufacturing, some of the chipset maker company like as a Qualcomm, MediaTek, Intel is the responsible to the make the chipset, and after that this type of the company is called the ODM. Okay, ODM based company. And after that, this one is going to sell the chipset to the vendor company like as a Apple, like as a, you can say, Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, and other type of the lava is also in Indian brand. So we can say here कि, hey, this one is the chipset maker company, this one is the selling the chipset to the another organization, another OEM based company. So this one is the chipset maker company is called the ODM, and the service based company like as a Apple and Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo is the called the OEM based company. So this one is the having the chip, means the operating system like as a Apple is the having the operating system, iOS is the having the operating system, and here is the Android, that one is the working on the Android base. If you are talking about the low legacy things, then Windows is also, this one is the part, BlackBerry is also the part. So some operating system is the running in a long manner, and someone is the come and go. The first mover and fast mover story is there. Okay, so here, how, if you are talking how this chipset is the going to manufacture, how this chipset is the going to manufacture. So for the manufacturing story is here, guys. First of all, here we are having the lab set. Here we are having the manufacture, we are going to manufacture. This one is a very old chipset, guys. Here just I'm taking the example of this chipset. This is the Qualcomm Snapdragon mobile platform overview. So first of all, RF card is the mandatory. After that, PMIC integrated codec PMI is the mandatory. And after that, this one is the internal name, guys, of the manufacturer. When we are going to manufacture the device, that time this required thing is the mandatory. And here codec, what codec we are going to use, and which speech codec is going to utilize, EVS, MRW, or the narrow band, wide band, what type of the codec we are going to use. And amplifier, here a speaker amplifier, and Wi-Fi facility, Wi-Fi WCN we are going to use. And here touch, what touch we are going to use, mostly Samsung is the working for this one. NFC, near field communication, and high current charging. Okay, so after that, whole firearms will be the integrated, and then we can going for the chipset. Here chipset is the going to manufacture. And after that, we are having the some another points over here. Here antennas, antenna attenuate tuners. With the help of the antenna tuners, we can increase the frequency ranges, and the RF parameter we can increase and decrease over here. And this one is the another part, ATP parts over here. So now chipset is the ready here. So we can utilize the chipset over here. Here we can utilize the chipset. This one is the 5G chipset, guys. And now here is the, this one is the debug port. With the help of the debug port, what we can do, with the help of the debug port, we can utilize the supply and all things. Suppose that here this one is the power supply. Here is the power supply. Just a moment. Power cord, where you can put. Yeah, see, this one is the power supply section. Here we will put the power supply. After that, your device will be the wake up here. and then this one is the alpha you can use, and cable you can use, you can insert the SIM card. After that device, your device will be the go for the live setting or the field testing or the protocol testing. This device is the manufacturer, and after that when device is going to manufacture, so what is the different portion, how look like that. So this one is the look like that. This one is the here 30 megapixel camera. Everyone is the know about these things here. What is the this parameter? Okay, everyone know about these things. So what is the front flash, what is the IR LED, what is the loudspeaker and earphone, how here loudspeaker, and what is the mics, and what is the here jacks, here 3.5 jacks is here, and most important page for the testing is here. USB C type cable is here, debug USB port, and here is the main utilizing port. Here this one is the RF parameter, Y power antenna contents. Okay, here we can utilize the this one is the antenna content, and here is the separate things over there like as RF cable. We can put the RF cable or the pigtail. We can say here we can utilize the pigtail here, and we can attenuate the UV. Okay, here we can attenuate. So after that, this device is the ready for the testing. Okay, here we can go for the protocol testing. Yeah, we can go for the lab testing. So here testing is the getting start here testing. So what type we are testing we are going to do here? First of all, testing is going to start. So different testing is there. First one is the here. Suppose that. So here we are going for the first lab testing, here field testing, here we are going for the uh, throughput testing, here going for the automation thing, here performance testing, sanity testing, and here regression testing. So lot of the testing will be the come in a picture, like as a data testing, like as a throughput testing. So different point will be the come in a picture for the testing phase. So how, if your device is to go for the lab, how lab is the look like. So lab is here, guys. Here some people are the assigning for the different scenario. Some people is the assigning the setup that this lab is going to set up, and this some of people is the working on the QXDM specific here. Some of people is the like the integrated people, some of people is the RF related thing. So they are doing the different scenario in a lab setup, and here and now we are come on your our point ki how this one is the protocol scenario ki hey, how that one is the means the I already speak up with you here, guys, ki hey, our device is the working in a two phase. First one is the calling system, and second one is the data. So for the data we will go for the in, if you are talking about the control plane is specific or the user plane is specific, so data will be the come in a user plane, and calling is the come in a control plane here. So this one is the user plane, here is the user plane. Okay, and here is the control plane. Okay, and now here, so here if your device is the cam over the LT technology, so what services we are going to use? LT advanced means the we can talk about the CA, carrier aggregation. Okay, here this one the carrier aggregation. After that, LT device is a camp over the LT network. Then how we can initiate the call over the LT network means the we are move for the CSFB call procedure, means the circuit switch fallback, and after that we can check, hey, call is done, what is the data rate, how much data we are getting. So how data will be the low high data rate, how data rate is the getting expect means the data arrival on the physical layer high data rate, how data low getting is the low, what is the reason behind that, how we can check this information. So data layer information, how we can check. MIMO technology, this one is the favorite things for the in a LT technology, MIMO technology. So how we can check in a MIMO in a LT technology, and how we'll go for the massive MIMO in a 5G technology. So this one is the our technical approach. in a LT technology. And if you are moving down for the another technology, another technical perspective here, so technical approach, like as when RRC is the setup over here, guys. RRC connection is the setup. Media bearer is the setup over there. Then how radio link is the fail? This one is the pet question of the every organization, guys. Every organization is the asking, hey, what is the radio link failure? How to recover the radio link? Hey, how to RRC connection will the reestablish? What is the timer is the responsible for that? If radio link is getting failed, so what is the role of the handover? What is the real role of the RAS procedure? So we can check in a radio link failure situation. Ki, hey, lot of the reason behind the radio link failure. Okay, so how link is getting lost means the suppose that you are in a connected mode, you are in a seventh floor, okay, and suddenly you are utilizing the lift, okay, so you are going to basement 1, okay, in basement 1 you are having the poor coverage, but if you are going to basement 2 or basement 3, so you are having the very poor coverage, very poor coverage, even your devices went out of service, okay, device went out of the service, radio link is getting fail. So that time how you will recover this problem? What is the way? How? Which one timer is the responsible to say, hey, you can come in service and you can utilize the some data and you can utilize the call? Means the network is the every time say, hey, I have something for you. And you can utilize your services. You can make call. You can utilize the data. You can make the conference call. You can go for the supplementary services, whatever the services if you want to utilize, you can utilize, okay. So here suppose that in a radio link failure, so that time what is the failure of the RAS process? That time how RAS is the means the channelization is the going to process means the follow up, and what is the reason if RAS is the success? Yeah, some of time RAS is the getting failed. So what is the reason behind the RAS failure, and what is the reason RAS is getting succeed? So we also can talk about the RAS process, and here device is the sending again to the attach request, and some of time attach is the getting reject. So we can talk about the pass cases as well as the fail cases. So suppose that guys already you know about the some things ki, hey, you know the process ki, hey, device is sending the attach request, device will be the camp over the network, but due to the some reason we are getting the failure. So how to find out the information failure cause? People, working professional people can deliver the information only. Ki, hey, how we can get the failure? Hey, what is the reason of the failure? How to find out the root cause of the failure? How we can go for the log analysis? How can analyze the parameter? How we can raise the ticket? How development team will be the work on the your bug or the your ticket or the your failure case, and how they are providing the patches for you after that how to fix the bug, okay. If you are getting the problem in a field, yeah, in a lab or the in-house things, so if you are getting the failure, how people is the fix this problem? Suppose that your device is the frequently went out of the service, so why you are going to purchase this mobile? People are not liking this thing. So we are making stable and stable your phone, okay. So why Apple market is the very high in the market? Why very costly product? Because that one is going to use the good quality of the chipset. First thing, he have the user security, he have the good display, use the good display. So that's why this phone is the bit costly. And this one is, suppose that you are in a seventh floor, just you are going to the ground floor, okay, G1, G2 or G3. So you are putting the other mobile on the ground floor 1 or 2, the other mobile like as a OnePlus or the Samsung or the another phone, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, OnePlus, that one is the getting feel, means the RF is not good, RF card is not good. So that time what happened? Your call is getting disconnect, yeah, your devices went out of the service, but Apple is the giving the surety, hey, I am using the good phone, good chipset, good RF card. so my phone is not going to disconnect in a bad situation. In a bad network coverage, you can also utilize the good data services. Okay, so here this one is the technical approach for the attach request and the reject things, and here handover. Hey, your voice device is the one to do the handover, like as a PS handover, CS handover, band handover, irate handover. So if your chipset is not good, that time that one is not going to perform in a well manner. And frequently, just suppose that you are going to 4G to 5G, yeah, 5G to 4G. So that time you will get the problem. A device is unable to perform. So this type of the technical approaches we are having here, and we can validate over the tool. Okay, tool, as well as we can validate the things over the device, tool, and simulator, as well as in the log portion. We can check out the information and validate the root cause. Hey, what is the root cause, handover events and all. So here, suppose the other upper technology. If you are talking about the upper technology, here 5G registration, how to device will the camp over the 5G technology, and how VONR we can initiate the VONR call. What is the handover process in a NR? How we can go for the 4G to 5G handover? We can do. How we can go for the 4G to 5G handover? Yeah, 5G to 4G handover, vice versa. We can do. What is the EPS fallback and all things we can cover over here, guys, in our technical approach. Okay, but if you are going for the new setup, ki, hey, I am going to set up the things over here, lab setup and all. So what is the lab approach? How we can see the lab? What is our processor? What is our setup in India as well as the USA location? Not the USA, in overseas location. In overseas location, we are working in a three country. First one is the Myanmar, Vietnam, and Cambodia, and RO is the running the three project over there. And here is the width specification, main elements for the use in a setup. We are using this type of the setup there, and this one is the simulator, our simulator, and here, and this one is the full end to end setup, how to make input to the network. This one is the network configuration, guys, and after that we will go for the EV configuration also. So we are going for the course and content. Ki, hey, what is the course and content we are going to cover? So here we are going to cover the 4G, 5G, 4G, VONR, and premium program is there. For the 80 percentage log analysis we are cover, and 20 percentage theoretical portion we are completing. So log analysis plus Python automation is also there. And here this one is the interview preparation. People, how can people will the prepare like that, the interview process, how will go for the process, and how they will remove the fear, or means the here team is the removing the fear of mind, how to defense the by the question, how you can reply the things over there. Ki, hey, I have a confidence after this course, you have a bit confidence over these things. Ki, hey, this one is the things, and I can reply. Suppose that in a handover, people are the putting approximately 2 to 3 hours time on you. At least you are the able to speak up, guys. Ki, hey, what is the handover? What is the failure case? Why handover is the getting fail over there? What is the reason behind that? What is the causes? At least you can speak up that 3 or 4 point, and interviewers the know about that. Ki, hey, he is the working professional. He want to switch the job, so that's why we can consider him, because he at least he know the process now, then he can do the work. Okay, so resume support, what ATS can support you: resume preparation, Naukri profile optimization, and LinkedIn profile. They will rectify in a LinkedIn profile, and they will upload your resume, and they will prepare a resume. And after that, why choose the ATS? So already we had a discussion about that one, ki why we are choose the ATS. Our team is the contents the professional who is the working, means that we are the working professional here, and that's why we know the company strategy. Ki, hey, what is the company strategy over there? So in a 5G module, we are having the 8 to 9 module over there in a 5G. First one is the we'll go for the modem introduction of the modem, how modem will be the coming picture. After that, we can go for the log analysis tool, like mostly we'll prefer the QXDM, QCAT, ELT tool over there, and we'll validate this point of the module 2. In module 3, we will go for the ENDC related things, and ENDC and NRDC related parameter will come in a picture, and we can validate in the module 3. And here essay registration procedure, we will talk about the essay and NSA registration procedure here. Module 3 and module 5 is the registration procedure, and what is the failure causes over there, we can validate in the module 5. And most important point of the 5G throughput, how throughput is going high and low, we can talk about the in the module 6. And in the module 7, we'll talk about the physical layer. Primary means the physical layer portion will be the come in a this module 6 7. And in the module 8 is the category related things, and RSSI power drive, 5G power drive, and all thing will be the come in a picture in the module 8. And then we are coming on the LT portion. Okay, in LT portion, we are talking about the introduction of the modem, and second one is the we can talk about the tool specification. So we are covering the tool QXDM, QCAT, ELT. So all tool we are going to cover. Suppose that your device is sending the attach request. We are covering this topic. Your device is sending the attach request. So how we'll get this information? First, we'll open the QXDM tool, and we can go for the procedure. And here we can validate the things. Your device is the sending the attach request, and we can find out the information element over there. Here this device is the moving from 4G to 5G here. So we will get the mobility from ultra command. After that, your device is going for the 5G rat. Okay, so here we can check out the information. Okay, what is the target rate? Target rate is the NR. Device is going to move, going to camp over the NR, means the device is moving from the LT to NR. So here in mobility from UTRA command, we can get the information. Hey, a device is going for the NR, and this one is the NR container, and this one is the NR cells and all. Okay, so this type of the information we can validate in a QXDM tool. Yeah, other information you also can validate in a ELT tool is also there. So inside of the ELT tool, here we can validate the things over there. Here how ELT is the working, and what is the process, and what is the information element is here, we can check out over there. Here we can check out here RRC connection reconfiguration. So RRC parameter we can also check out here. Okay, and now we can talk about the another point here. Here LT power on procedure, power on procedure on the physical layer. So we are covered the physical layer over there here. And what is the ratch, what is the first of all every cases, this one is the very good quality of the ATS, and this one is the that one is the impacted on the market, guys. That's why ATS in a topmost position nowadays in the training session. Here is the first of all we are going for the ratch. Okay, so people are know about the ratch, but how ratch is the failure. So also we have a case study of the every failure case study we are having here. So RRC layer. So RRC layer, what is the reason of the reestablishment and failure causes? So if in every module you will able to check the failure case study also. Okay, na? Everywhere if you want to see, then you can see here. We are going here. Suppose that attach is the completed. So here your device is sending the attach request. So, hey, what is the reason behind here attach request here? But what is the reason behind of the failure cases? So we are also discuss the failure cases step by step. We are discussing the failure cases in module 6. We are covered the carrier aggregation, and in module 7 we are talking about the CSFB call procedure and handover related things, redirection and handover differences. We will talk in module 8. We will go for the IMS registration and call flow. Here handover flow. And here we will talk about the IMS registration, call flow, and SMS flow, conference call. Here IMS failure case study, and here SRVCC call and SRVCC failure case study we will do. And after that we can go for the Python classes and all. Okay, and interview preparation, mock interview, and all things over there. Hey guys, till here, if you have any concern, any query, please unmute and you can go for the questionnaire portion, QA portion. Please, guys. Yeah, hey Aro, I have done from my side. If people are interested to the questionnaire portion, and people are the feel free and you can ask the things, guys, quickly.
So I am here, guys. Feel free to ask your question. If you are happy with your current job, it's very good. Otherwise, you can ask the question how to
Here,
take
guys, we are spending
growth
approx
in your career.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are, sir. 4G, 5G is related to networking, sir. I want to know, sir. Suppose I am working in a data center and networking device installation. Any new things need to learn, sir.
Sorry, come again.
Sir, I am working as a network engineer, sir, and
In
want to
Ericsson,
join. No,
where
sir.
globally?
Bell.
Bell Lab.
Yes, sir. I want to join this course, sir. I want to know, need to learn new things because I am learning only networking and certifies.
Okay.
4G, 5G is not included, sir.
No, here you will learn 4G, 5G, VONR over the tool
Uh,
from day one.
oh, oh.
Yes, I would like to know if you guys have a guide. Actually, I'm currently working for 5G optimization, and I really want to learn deeply 5G and also 4G. So I would like to know if you guys have a guideline for this. I saw the module there, and I'm really interested to be part of that, like learning deeply the protocol stack and everything about 5G and 4G as well. So is there any guide for you guys so I can boost my career?
Yes,
Hey,
yes,
bro,
definitely.
here we are going for the deep log analysis and all, and we are discuss about the each and every parameter. We can show you here, कि, hey, how your device is the started the handover. Suppose that in a PPT presentation, I'll tell you the information, guys. Hey, how what things we are going to cover. First of all, we are more interested in a technological portion. We will cover the technological portion, and after that we can go for the feature set. And after that we can see the one information element inside of the layer wise information we can check, and we can correlate the information with the layer, and we'll get the information. So that's why this course is the fully packed course, and this course is the already are under the R&D, and we are do the analysis over the course ki, hey, how we will feed the information to the student. Hey, poor student how can understand the process, and who is already know the process, then how we can go for the advanced level. Okay, so that's why we are providing this information, guys, to you in a bunch format. Okay, at a one platform. If you go for the another organization, I'm not going to speak up the organization name here, but if you go there, but what happened, people are the showing the theoretical portion to you, and after that 1 or 2 days, 1 or 2 hours, they will show the tool to you, and they are deliver the whatever he want, he will deliver. But here is the fixed information, guys. We are going to deliver. This one is the already written format here in a written format ki, hey, what we are going to do going to cover. So if you know this information, no one company will be the prevent your career and all things no one is going to stop you okay hey you know the all topic and I am not going to hire you. Okay, so because your image is already clear, your vision is already clear, so you are in not in a blur vision, your vision is the clear over here. So definitely your career will be the grow, guys. Okay, so this one is from my side, so no need to worry about that things ki, hey, what we are going to do over here and what is the course content over there. So these are the information, and hey Aro, you can also suggest the things what we can cover in the in this session. Aro is the having the
Will
more
cover
explanation on
deep
that one.
into the drive. Will cover deep into the drive. Basically, our approach is practical things. We are not believe on theory because practical thing, if you will get, you will crack the interview. It's our motto.
Yes, so what about the tools? On this course, can I have the tools myself and do it myself, or
You can utilize through remote. Our team will give you remote access. We have opportunity to 10 to 12 hour individual tool session, one-to-one session with my candidate. Apart from Ram will take your 32 session multiply by 2 hour, it means 64-hour tool session during your training plus 10-hour individual, almost 75 hours training on tool. Nobody is providing across the world. That is the reason we are placing more and more candidate into the market. Any other question?
What is the fees details?
Fee
It is the
details.
most yeah, it is the most important question. What is the fees details? And one more question: are you guys providing the record session or live classes?
Live plus recorded session as well. Recorded session will be available on application only due to security reason.
Okay.
All the session will be provided.
Is the live or record? Both.
First live, then record.
Okay. And what is the fees
Sir,
details?
fee details, sir.
Fee detail for global candidate 750 USD. For Indian along with Python automation 48,000. Only protocol testing 36,000. We don't have any offer, we don't have any discount because we'll not compromise with quality.
Sir, in year ending offer, sir.
Sorry.
If you will not take hands-on tool session, then we'll give discount.
No,
It's
sir.
okay for you.
Year ending offer, sir. Any year ending offer.
If your package is less than 5 LPA, then we have a special discount. On that case, you
So,
have to
hey guys,
show your
one more thing, Aro. If people is having the less salary, na, so
yes,
in
yes,
this
yes,
situation, you can consider the people, okay, na?
yes, yes.
Yes, you can
If
consider the
your
people. Like
package,
I just suppose that some people is having the less than three lakh salary or less than 5 lakh salary. So you
yes,
can
yes,
provide
yes.
the special offer, okay, to him. This one is the recommendation from my side, guys. Okay.
Those having package less than 5 LPA, we have special discounts in last 13 years. Just see
so
our
can you
yeah, please go ahead.
yeah, can you say the price again for international one? I didn't get the price.
750 USD. I hope got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes.
No, I didn't get the price.
750 USD. 750 USD. I hope it will clear.
Okay, it's clear.
Yes. So guys, who is happy in your current job? Raise your hand. In telecom, your experience is going increasing drastically, but your package is not moving. Is it right or not?
You are
Yes.
right, sir. Absolutely right, sir.
Just behind this, what is the reason? You know? Anyone? What is the reason behind this? Nobody know or all know? Hey, Akshay.
No job, sir. No job opportunity, sir.
Are job opportunity is there? Skill is not there, na? We don't have a
Yes,
skill.
sir. Skill.
So why I'm not getting job? Those person having a skill, those are working in good package. That is the reason. You guys are only responsible for your career. I'm right or wrong?
Yeah, you're right.
Yes.
So this is the only way to increase your package. Either go into the protocol side or go into the product based company with high paid job. We are happy in if some company is giving 15% or 30%. I am too much ready to join by tomorrow. This is the only reason your package is low. You are not asking, I need 100% hike, I need 75% hike, because you know कि अगर आप ऐसा नहीं बोलोगे सामने वाला आपको मना कर देगा, दूसरा बंदा देख लेगा. दिस इज द रियलिटी, सेकंड रियलिटी. टेलीकॉम में बंदे 1,000 रुपए के लिए जॉब चेंज कर देते हैं, 5,000 रुपए के लिए जॉब चेंज कर देते हैं. आई एम राइट और रॉन्ग?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
You are, suppose you are in Geo, you are getting 3 lakh, Ericsson is hiring you, Ericsson is giving 4 lakh, you will ready to go. आप ज्वाइन कर लोगे वहां पे, राइट और रॉन्ग?
जी जी.
अभी एरिक्सन में जाने के बाद भी क्या होगा आपको, यार 4 लाख का पैकेज है, 40,000 भी नहीं आ रहा है, फिर आप सर्चिंग स्टार्ट कर दोगे. 6 महीने 8 महीने बाद कोई 4.5 लाख देगा, 5 लाख देगा, आप उधर चले जाओगे. दिस इज द रीजन यू आर नॉट स्टेबल ऑन योर जॉब. एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर साइड? यू कैन आस्क. Guys, any question?
One question. One question.
Yes.
So we can provide the multiple times, like the 2 and 3 times, provide the fees, or one times only. Are you guys?
No, it's if you go for Python along with Python automation, it's 4 time, and if you want to protocol testing, 3 time.
Okay.
Yes.
और ये weekly how many days weekly? 2 days.
It will be Saturday and Sunday. Next 4 month protocol testing, 2 month additional for Python automation.
मतलब after completion of protocol then Python.
Yes, yes, based on your bandwidth.
Guys, first of all, we will focus on the Python protocol classes, okay, 4G and 5G. Then we'll proceed the session for the 5G. If you are interested for the Python classes, then you can continue on the Python classes. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Here 5G for the 4G and 5G, we will prefer the morning time 7 to 8:30. Okay. 7 o'clock to 8:30 we will preferable time, and if requirement will be there, then we can take the class in a weekday also, depend on the student interest. Okay, here people are the more interested in the regarding the technology, so we can extend the class also in a weekday, like the MWF or the TTS. MWF means the Monday, Wednesday and Friday. TTS means the Thursday, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Yeah, Aro, I'm right now.
Yes, yes,
This one is the
yes,
planning for this course.
yes.
Okay, perfect.
Guys,
So
this type of
this
learning you will get. This is the live tool. You will get touch with this tool from day one if you want to take practical parallelly. Okay. And all
five
tool
to
will give access. Yes, Ram, you can continue.
we are having the 5 to 6 tool is here, guide, but we will make the proficient on the one by one. Hey, first you can go and you can do the practice on the QCAT tool, QXDM tool, then you can go for the Wireshark, then you can go for the Lysol, then you can go for the ELT tool. So 5 tool is the very proficient tool for you, and that one is the increase your proficiency. Okay, so according to the your proficiency, we can do the things and you can hit the job in the market, because now this time market situation is bit worst situation. Okay, na? But till how much time it will be the worst? Tell me. Now market is going to open, guys, and be careful. This one is the right time to the take the registration and take the admission. And when market will be the open, that time your thing will be the prepare. Okay, na? You are already prepared, and you will get the good hike, good salary, and all thing will get, and you will get the stable job and all things over there. Okay. So this one is the suggestion from my side, and especially I am focusing the things over here related to the student. Ki, hey, student, you can care about the things in this special time. People are thinking this one is a bad time, but this one is a special time for you guys, and you can utilize this time. Okay, you can enhance your career, you can enhance your salary and all, enhance your knowledge and all. Okay, so that's why this one is the fully prepared package is here for the LT and VoLT and NR things. Okay, is the available here. And if you want to utilize over the tool, then you can join these classes and you can utilize things over there. Okay. So Aro, I have maximum done from.
Okay, okay. No problem. Guys, any question from your side? I'm here next 10 minutes. Otherwise, we'll drop the call in next 5 minutes. Feel free to ask your question, query, whatever you want to know.
Sir, I want to job location, sir. Most probably job location.
Job location, all metro cities, not on your hometown.
No, sir. Delhi, sir. Possible
Delhi,
Delhi.
NCR, Mumbai, Pune,
Yes.
Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, MP, Indore, Lucknow.
Sir, any certification needs, sir? Any special qualification?
You have degree, diploma, 12th.
Sir, degree, sir.
It's enough.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yesterday, one person
Sir,
called me. He told,
sir, one question.
yes, please.
Diploma is required, sir?
You have degree or diploma?
Diploma.
After diploma, how many years you worked?
सर अभी तो मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ सर डिप्लोमा के बाद में
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, यू कैन ज्वाइन.
हो जाएगा सर
बिल्कुल हो जाएगा.
ठीक है
Any other question?
और ये सैटरडे संडे ओनली होगा तो ठीक है ना, मतलब सैटरडे संडे अवेलेबल रह सकते हैं, नहीं तो
हाँ, Saturday, Sunday, because we are also working in weekdays, so we are not preferring on weekdays. For weekdays, you can prepare yourself for daily basis 1 hour or 2 hour, either morning or evening, because whatever trainer will give you, you have to read and learn both. This will helpful next 4 months, because we are not here to provide any degree you. We are here to provide practical things which will help to crack the interview. You will get a job into the new domain with double
कितना
triple
घंटा टाइम देना होगा
qualification.
सर? कितना घंटा टाइम देना होगा सर?
1 से 2 घंटा इनफ.
समय?
हाँ जी,
समय या डेली सर?
डेली 1 घंटा इनफ है दोस्त.
और क्लास
क्लासेस सैटरडे संडे 2-2 घंटे का रहेगा.
ओके
सर जिन लोगों का प्लेसमेंट हुआ है वो लोगों में क्या था सर, मतलब कि कुछ खास था क्या उन लोगों का प्लेसमेंट हुआ सर?
उन लोगों का प्लेसमेंट हुआ, उन्होंने हमारे गाइडेंस को फॉलो किया, इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो किया, ट्रेनर को फॉलो किया, मेंटर
हाँ
को फॉलो किया. और उन्होंने पहला क्या है कि फर्स्ट डिसाइड योर गोल, वेयर यू हैव
ये
टू
तो
गो.
गोल सर। हाँ हाँ।
If your goal is fixed, your mission and vision both will clear. You will get select.
अच्छा, जिसका नहीं हुआ सर उसको क्या हुआ, वो भी अभी लाइन पर है?
वो जिसका वहां जो उसका अभी हुआ नहीं है वो और प्रिपरेशन करेगा.
तो फिर से करेगा?
फिर से क्या रिवीजन, मतलब आपने ज्वाइन किया, 10 लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया
हाँ
सपोज आपके बैच में, 9
हाँ
बंदे जो डे 1 से ही स्टार्ट कर लिया प्रिपरेशन करना, वो 6 महीने में सेलेक्ट हो गए. और सपोज आपने 4 महीने
हाँ
तो मस्ती में रहे. जब आपका बैच
हाँ
खत्म हो गया, जब लगा कि यार उनका हो गया हम तो रह गए, फिर आप प्रिपरेशन करना
हाँ।
स्टार्ट करोगे ना.
ना ना, ऐसे नहीं हुआ सर।
मैं तो फॉर
लेकिन
एग्जांपल ले
जो
रहा हूँ ना.
वर्किंग वाले में थोड़ा टाइम का प्रॉब्लम है सर, जो वर्किंग है।
You
One
have to
second,
maintain all those.
1 second, Aro, 1 second. गाइस, इसमें सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है ना, यदि आप पहले से ही अवेयर हो ना कि हमें चेंज करना है, तो लास्ट 3 मंथ में बहुत सारे आपको टेक्निकल पॉइंट में एक्सपर्टीज आ जाती है. जैसे अभी किसी बंदे से
अच्छा
पूछा गया कि हैंडओवर क्या है, उस बंदे ने आराम से रिप्लाई कर दिया कि पहले मेजरमेंट कंट्रोल आएगा, मेजरमेंट कंट्रोल के बाद मेजरमेंट रिपोर्ट जाएगा और हैंडओवर के पैरामीटर आएंगे, नेटवर्क कमांड देगा और हैंडओवर होगा. उसको ये बात याद है. लेकिन आपको बोला गया, वही बात आपको भी बोला गया, आप रिप्लाई थोड़ा-सा नहीं कर पा रहे हो. तो फिर स्पेशली जब इंटरव्यू होता है ना, तो उस टाइम पे आपसे क्वेश्चन लिया जाता है कि आपको क्वेश्चन क्या-क्या पूछा है और कौन से
अच्छा।
क्वेश्चन को आपने रिप्लाई किया. पिछले बैच में आरओ क्या था, एक बंदा था, उससे क्वेश्चन लिया गया तो क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा बोल दिया कि हाँ, इतने-इतने 15 क्वेश्चन मेरे से पूछा, हुआ नहीं मेरा. फिर उसको स्पेशली पूछा गया, उसको जब टीम बैठी कि हाँ, तुम्हें क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम क्या आई, कैसे स्पीक अप कर रहे, तो ही द स्पीक इन अ रॉन्ग वे. उसको नॉलेज है बट गलत तरीके से रिप्लाई कर रहा है. तो ही विल टेक टाइम. यदि आप अपने आप को गलत तरीके से इंस्ट्रक्ट करोगे, अपने माइंड को गलत तरीके से सिग्नल दोगे, तो क्या अच्छा
हाँ हाँ।
रिजल्ट आएगा क्या वहाँ पे?
नहीं सर।
तो अपने आप को इंस्ट्रक्ट करो, अपने आप को गोल सेट करो कि हाँ, हमें क्या करना है. यदि किसी भी बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आज ही चले जाओगे, कल चले जाओगे, लेकिन वहाँ का रूल नहीं फॉलो करोगे, सेट ऑफ रूल नहीं फॉलो करोगे, तो व्हाट विल बी द हैपन? हाउ मच लॉन्ग
मुझे
यू विल सर्वाइव देयर? टेल मी.
नो सर।
You will got the selection. Suppose
हाँ
that you are
यस।
got in selection in a good reputed company. Okay,
हाँ
on this level. अभी इस लेवल से उठा के उस लेवल पे रख दीजिए, you will survive there or not?
हाँ सर, ये तो बस सही है।
So first of all, you will think about your learning. After that, you should think about your earning. Okay, पहले सीखो, लर्निंग करो, उसके बाद अर्निंग करो. पहले ही अर्निंग को सोचोगे, लर्निंग को सोचोगे नहीं, तो क्या मिलेगा तुम्हें बताओ? What you will
कुछ
get?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं सर।
This question is the very simple, but
यस
student
सर।
is make this question very critical. Hey, what happen if I'll join ATS? ATS will not get the selection, then what I can do?
हाँ
I mean,
यस।
you can believe on your power system, brain power system. You can utilize your brain power system. Your brain is the very powerful. In which direction you are going to utilize? This one is the mandatory thing for you. for your career and all. If you are receiving the 4G signal and you are expecting the high data rate, then what happened, bro? Not na, not na. You are not expecting
Yes.
the high signal na. High data
Yes.
rate you are not getting. If you are camping over the 3G network or 2G network, or you are expecting, you are just biting your mobile and hey, what happened? I am not getting the high data rate, or what happened? Hey, Aro, you can tell me. So Aro, what Aro will tell? Huh? Hey man, you can switch your network preference mode. So that's why you can set your preference mode. Okay, hey, what you want? According to this, you can grow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's all.
Mentally
Okay,
prepare
na?
रहना. Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Yes.
Don't think about
Start.
the more. You can attach with the system. चाहे वो सिस्टम आपका खुद का है, खुद से बनाओ, या किसी सिस्टम में आके बनाओ, या किसी गूगल का हेल्प लो, यूट्यूब का हेल्प लो. यदि आप सेट करते हो अपने सिस्टम को, देन यू विल डेफिनेटली नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू. आपको कोई रोक के नहीं रखेगा कि नहीं, हे व्हाई यू ओपन द यूट्यूब and why you are watching the video related to technical video, why you are watching, why you are not watching the reels and all. So this is your preference set by don't miss these things, okay na? And don't ask this silly type of the question, okay na? Ki, hey, what happened? Nothing will be happen, bro. If you want to grow in your career, who will stop? Are you stopping to anyone?
No, no, no. Why I will
Who
stop?
will stop, man? Nobody can stop you, okay?
Yes.
और एक
Aru,
क्लास मिस हो
continue.
गया तो
Yes.
कुछ इमरजेंसी की वजह से क्लास एक मिस हो गया तो वो वाला
Will provide recorded session. You can go through. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to me or Ram.
ओके ओके ओके
That
We
time,
have other
if you
trainer
have
and
the
other mentor as well.
if you have the problem with the class, suppose that in case of the emergency you are missed the class, that time you can message me, "Ki, here today due to this reason I'm missing the class." So that time I'll take special care for you, okay? I'll log
ओके
in with you and I'll try to deliver the information, ki, hey, you can watch the video and after that you can make the note, and where is you are getting the doubt, you can
Yes.
ask with me. That's all.
ओके ओके थैंक यू
We are here to support till your selection. We are not here to next 3, 4, 5, 6 months. I hope got my point.
यस यस
I believe on selection. I need your selection so that I can post your picture. Whatever
Guys,
thing we have for practical learning will provide all. We are the only one who is providing hands-on 2 session training.
one clear thing is here. Aro is working here for your picture only. Okay, na? Ki I can get this guy's picture and I can aid the things. Okay, na? So this one is a good caliber. He is utilizing the good caliber behind of human. You can think. So okay, Aro, maximum
Yes,
things
yes.
discuss over there. So no need to go more. Okay.
So guys,
And
if you don't have any question, we have one question for you.
Yes.
We'll ask
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
who is going to make your career?
Sir,
Means
yes, sir. Right.
who is
सर एक बात सर
interested?
यस
Yes,
यस सर
please.
राम
हाँ
सर
जी
एक बात
बोलिए.
सर अगर अगर सर हम चाहते हैं सर कि एक साल बाद मेरा हाइक होने वाला हाइक होने के बाद जाने के लिए तो सर ये पॉसिबल होगा कि एक साल
कितना
बाद भी आप
हाइक
कर
होगा? कितना हाइक होगा तुम्हारा? 3%, 5%, 10%, 12%?
हाँ
उससे
सर
ज्यादा तो नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं नहीं नहीं
अगर यहाँ पे आपको 50% हाइक मिल रहा है, तो
हाँ,
आप वो हाइक का इंतजार करोगे 5%,
ना ना
3% का?
ना नहीं करेंगे सर
फिर why you asking this type of
ओके
question?
सर
So guys, who is interested to join with ATS for practical learning? Raise your hand.
Actually, I am interested, sir, but we are the I am the late comer, but I didn't know what is the scenario of this event today. May I know again what is going to be performed in this practical session?
You can download our application and get today recorded session. Okay, because almost we
Actually,
have done.
actually, actually, sir, I have already done. I am training but we didn't get the get the target that we want to achieve. We are not at the bottom. We have learned about IMS and SIP, but we didn't get that properly in practical session.
Okay, so we have all the practical learning. Here will cover 4G, 5G, VONR, including VoLTE. So your IMS registration, IMS call flow, conference
Sir,
call, all these
may I know the fee structure?
fee structure along with Python automation 48,000, only protocol testing 36,000.
Sir,
Okay.
good afternoon, sir. Actually, I have one query, sir. If someone has done already the IMS testing and he has done the no, sorry, IMS and SIP, he has learned all these things, then if someone wants to learn only the practical things, then is there any scenario for that also, or
We have don't much time to spend on single candidate. Okay, so better way, join this protocol testing course and you will get a job in next 4 months. I don't know where you joined or still you are struggling due to some organization are providing theory classes. They are making fool of the candidate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, sir, that is what I want to say. That is there any no practical classes for the special people, or
No,
is
no,
that we are
Akib,
going to
Akib,
need to
Akib,
go?
Akib,
Yes, sir.
Akib, listen me. What happened? You will go for the you are thinking like that. Ki, hey, I am bit sound in a practical means the theoretical portion and all. I can cover the theoretical portion. But here is the good opportunity because first of all we are cover the theoretical portion and same day we are going for the practical portion. So how this thing is the very difficult for me and also for you. We are not
Yes,
going
sir.
to provide the separate class. Okay, na? This one is
Yes,
the
sir.
structure group, bro. Why is this things is there? Suppose that today I am teaching the attach request to the all people, and you are thinking, hey, I know the attach request and I know the attach failure case study. Just I want to know about the tool information. So tool information will be the beneficial for you. Suppose that you are taking the medicine of the paracetamol, but paracetamol is the creating the same gastric problem for you. So what you can do? You also take the medicine for the gastric also, na?
Yes, sir.
So you want to leave the one things and you want to focus on one thing. So this one is the not a better learning. This one is the not you will get the better learning things. Okay, this thing is okay. You can think about the situation, but we are not follow this situation, bro. Sorry for that things. Okay.
Sir, EMI option
Yeah.
is available here.
Yeah, please,
Yes, sir.
please.
Akib, some candidate is taken SIP training. You have taken this type of SIP training.
Yes,
You will
exactly.
go. You have taken this type of. You have taken this
No,
type
sir.
of training.
We
Actually,
have done only
The,
being
only
the
theoretical part.
actually
this
being
is
honest,
the this
no,
is
I'm here.
the
No, sir. Actually, being honest, I'm here just to make no, just to be comfortable with the practical part only. So honestly, I have spent already 35,000 with my training, and that too they showed only the theoretical part. And when I try to apply in the market, and when I try to find something relevant to job, then what I am facing here is that we don't have a good knowledge in practical
this
basis.
time.
Okay?
I hope
That's
you
what.
will not get this type of learning, a real time scenario, real and.
So, sir, and being honest, I don't want to spend more 37,000 because I'm already trying with my, to unburden my last time, the fees which I gave to them. So, what I want to say is that if there is no something like we can do only on the practicals and there will be any concession of fees as well. That's what I'm looking for here.
So yeah, the practical is possible is 1 day or 2 day or 3 day.
Uh,
It it
no, I
it
don't
will
think
take
so.
time. It will take time
Yes, sir.
to cover all the scenario. Okay. So not possible
Hey,
in 2 days, 4 days, 5 days.
bro. This is the clear things. No need to go in a blur vision. Okay, na? Your vision. You will. take time. Okay, na? You will take time and you can think about that one. Ki, hey, I'm going for the practical thing. Mostly in my session, I'm covering the practical things only. Not I'm going to concentrate over the theoretical portion. You can come and you can join the day one class and then you can feel, ki, hey, what we are going to cover. Okay, na? Maximum this one is the log analysis based class, guys. Okay, and who is the sound over the technological like as a parameters packets and all. So this one is a good platform for you. Okay, na? Ki, hey, from the day one we can, who is going to open the tool from day one, man? Hmm? But
Yes, sir.
we are
Right, sir.
covering, we are
Yes,
covering
sir.
the things over here from day one. We are open the tool and validate the parameter. Hey, how PSS decoding will be the happen? Theoretical portion finish, then we can filter the packet and get the information from here. Okay, here, see like that. We are doing see like that. Suppose that every people is don't know about that. Hey, what is the PSS and SSS decoding? So suppose that I want the information about the PSS and SSS. So what I can do here? Immediately I filter out the information from here. Here, okay, here what is the PSS and SSS? Right click over here and here refilter item, and I'll go for the layer here on the LT technology. I want the PSS and SSS information. So here this one is the PSS packet and this one is the SSS packet, and I can find out the information from here. See,
So from day one will on tool. This is the only
see here
phenomena for success.
from PSS and SSS information we can get out from here. This one is the
Sir, what is
PSS
the duration of
information.
course?
Sorry,
What is the duration of this course?
Aro,
It's
you
a
And
can
6 month,
explain again.
6 month for along with Python automation, 4 month for protocol testing. Total 6 months.
sir, can we do only protocol testing?
Yes, you can do 550 USD.
What is the duration of that course?
4 month.
Okay, sir. What will be the timing?
Timing in morning 7 to 9 something or 8 to 10.
India time 7 o'clock.
IST 7 to 9.
Okay.
So guys, who is going to join? Raise your hand. Only 2% is there. Rest are still happy in telecom job. If you are still happy, that's good. No need to learn more because learning is based on earning. So those who are interested, connect with our team. Our team will share one message into the group. You can reach out to him on get registration. Okay. We'll start batch soon. Ram, I think
Okay, guys.
all
Bye
done.
bye and take care. And thank you, Aro, to the organize this
Yeah.
session, and thank you, Deepak, to the arrange the things all in a well manner. And guys, I hope we'll meet soon in a class, and we'll as soon as possible we will start the class. Okay. So bye bye and take care. Happy Sunday.
Okay. Thanks to all. Thanks, Ram, Deepak.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.